I discovered the technique behind the most delicious beans from the restaurant in my city. Simple and easy to prepare. To start, in a bowl, I'm going to add half a kilo of beans along with some slices of lemon. Then I add water and let it soak for 20 minutes. This will make the beans softer to cook, and it also helps to remove the gases. After the 20 minutes, I drain and rinse the beans thoroughly. Now I'm going to add 2 small white onions, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, and 1 slice of lemon. Salt is added to taste. Then I cover the beans with water and take them to cook. I let it go for 15 minutes after the pressure starts. Once the time is up, the beans are cooked. I remove the onions, garlic cloves, and lemon slice. Then I mash the garlic and onion very well, creating a paste with this seasoning. Next, I add this paste back into the beans and let it simmer for 5 minutes until it thickens slightly. And just look at how delicious these beans are. Super simple and easy to make. Finishing this recipe feels like sharing a family secret, one of those cherished traditions passed down through generations, with the power to turn an ordinary meal into a moment of warmth and joy. What makes these beans so special isn't just the choice of ingredients or the cooking time, but the attention to detail and care given at every step. From the moment the beans are soaked with lemon slices, you can feel the love behind this recipe. That simple step makes the beans lighter, aids digestion, and begins to enhance the flavors that will shine through later. The combination of onion and garlic cooked with the beans, then turned into a flavorful paste, proves that you can create an explosion of taste with simple, everyday ingredients. The creamy texture, the irresistible aroma, and the bold flavor make this dish truly memorable. In just a few steps, you achieve a result that impresses, whether it's for a family meal during the week or to surprise guests at a special lunch. Moreover, this technique teaches us that cooking can be simple, enjoyable, and accessible to everyone. There's no need for fancy ingredients or complicated processes. All it takes is dedication, quality ingredients, and a touch of creativity to turn something ordinary into something extraordinary. So, next time you cook beans, give this recipe a try. You'll be amazed by the flavor, texture, and how much it can elevate your meals. And that's it, folks. We've reached the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found the content helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends and family. And of course, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. I love reading what you have to say. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.